Alright, hey everybody, Alex Fives here, bringing you with Thrift Store Finds. Now, all these games were found at Goodwill, and I paid less than $10 for it. So let's get started with the first thing I got. For VHS for 47 cents, E.T. the Extraterrestrial. Great movie. Great movie. If you've never heard of it, go check it out. It's a great movie. The game, not so great. But Ugly Martians, Hoverboard Heroes. I've never heard of the But Ugly Martians. I have a book of it, and I never knew that it had, like, a VHS thing. I don't even think it's a TV show. It's kind of odd, but yeah, the But Ugly Martians. Yeah. Then another great movie, Jaws, for 47 cents. All these were 47 cents. Jaws for 47 cents. Another great Spielberg movie. And Jurassic Park, a great Spielberg movie. And this is in great condition. There was another movie. There was the third one, which I didn't get because I don't like the third one. And there's another one of these that was in horrible condition. But this is in better condition. It had, like, scratches all over it. It's really good condition. And those are the VHSs I got for 2 games. Got 2 games. This one was $3 and this one was $3. It's FIFA 2007 Soccer. Yeah, FIFA 2007 Soccer. It was pre-owned, and the funny thing is, you can tell by the black label, it's a European copy. So yeah, I don't know how a European copy came across with Goodwill. I don't know. But yeah, and then there's these factory sealed AC/DC Live for the PS2. Yeah, it's factory sealed for $3. Awesome! And then finally, I got a book. Rugrats Blast Off, Nickelodeon, a little child's book for 25 cents. And that's what I got at the thrift store. Sadly, I also got a Pocket Simon. Yes, I got a Pocket Simon, but it does not work. So I have to return it. I only got it for 97 cents. I'm really freaking pissed off that the freaking Pocket Simon doesn't freaking work. I tried adding batteries. The battery pack comes with regular 2, and then it freaking so I'm not in the mood to talk about how my Pocket Simon from 1980 isn't working. But I have to return it for 97 cents. I want to kill the person who did that. So anyway, yeah, so this is another thrift store pickups. Bye.